Joobleorg review. Is Jooble legit or a scam? Joobleorg review. Is Jooble legit or a scam? If you're on the hunt for a new job, Joobleorg may have come across your search. But is this site trustworthy? Or is it just another scam in the crowded world of online job boards? Most people get this wrong by thinking that all job aggregator websites are risky. The surprising truth is that Jooble is a legitimate job search engine that has been operating since 2006. It doesn't post jobs itself. Instead, it aggregates listings from multiple reputable sources, including company websites, job boards, and recruitment agencies. You won't believe what happens next. Jooble allows users to search for jobs globally, filter by location, salary per type, and even receive email alerts for new listings matching your criteria. Since it only redirects you to the original job postings, you are interacting with legitimate employers, not unknown entities. To use Jooble safely, always double-check the original job posting and the company's official website before providing personal information. Avoid sharing sensitive data on unverified platforms, even if the job seems enticing. Also, watch out for listings that ask for payment upfront. These are red flags for scams. In conclusion, Joobleorg is a trustworthy platform for job seekers. Its role as an aggregator makes it convenient to find multiple opportunities in one place, but practicing standard online safety measures is essential. By using Jooble responsibly, you can efficiently explore real job openings without risking your personal data.